We have a 2023 Pilot, 30,000 miles. We can see it's been in an accident. So insurance approved a strut. They're gonna repair the wheel here. They approved a knuckle and a hub assembly. We're going to throw it on a alignment rack and see how we fare from there. Should be okay, but again, we don't know how the tie rod is. It looks okay, but we shall see if looks okay and everything comes out on alignment. Also, it seems to turn kind of sloppy, but considering that the wheel is like this, it could just be from this. So I'm gonna make sure the rack integrity is good after the alignment. Everything looks at least better than this. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this, and then we'll throw it on the rack, see where we are. So everything is out here. We can see the strut clearly has a bend in it. This is a new one, nice and straight. The old knuckle, the new knuckle. Now on this style setup where the strut goes through the knuckle, all of them that I have done that are this bent, when I go put in a new one into here, it does not go in smoothly. This should go in 100% smoothly. So this is why we are changing these knuckles. We recommended it, insurance approved it. If not, then at that point, if I couldn't get it in, I would just send them a short video and they would most likely approve it at that point. Same thing for the hub. Second point of impact, before this gets bent and the strut gets bent, this takes the hit right after the wheel. So if the wheel is damaged, struts are damaged, knuckles damaged, there's no point to not replace this. Although some companies, depending on the insurance companies, decide not to do that at that point. If we put it back together and we have either a wobble because the hub is bent or a noise, or sometimes both, then they have to pay to do the labor all over again, including another alignment. Looking good. All right, so we threw it on a rack. We did our compensation here, and I kid you not, I have not touched anything yet. So 23 Pilot, this is the back, so it needs a little bit of tweaking. Now let's go ahead to the front, and this thing is near perfect. I haven't done anything else yet here, but look at that, it's amazing how we just literally installed all new suspension, and it's damn near perfect here. Okay, so now the most and last important part of my job at this point is to test drive the vehicle, make sure the alignment is straight, it's not pulling, the wheel is centered, and we don't hear any noises. And again, the car was hit, so I checked, make sure the steering is moving nice and freely and returning to center when going around a turn. And also no lights on the dashboard that aren't supposed to be there. So at this point, my job is complete, and we're gonna send this vehicle over to the body shop and let them finish their part. And hopefully this customer will have the vehicle back shortly.